So here's what we're going to tackle: condensation within the light. That's due to someone trying to seal it. Yeah, so this one I bought off eBay, which I'm happy to say I got it for £30 on a bid. So no one else bidded on it, so I did because I needed it. And yeah, he'd already taken it apart, taken all the baluster off and everything. Well, it's just a bare light, but I'm not fussed because I've got the correct sealer to put in there. So yeah, so that's what that looks like. So what we're going to do is transfer all the stuff out of this one into this one. Let's crack on. So took the screws off the main ballast. So those are the connections in there which we need to disconnect. Here are the screws. We need the T10, which is one of those. Focus, come on, yeah, T10. There we go, T10. So that's just to remove that. So what I'll do now is take a photo so I know how to put it all back in together. I will be taking loads of photos so that I don't get anything wrong. Right, finally got it apart. Somebody has used silicone to put it in and not the proper sealant, butyl I think it's called, and just apply a bit of heat. Well, apply heat and then you should be able to take it apart, but this is flipping ridiculous. Stop using silicone. What is going on? So I've destroyed a perfectly good light because I needed to get it apart. These lights, well, what are they? They're nearly over £1,000 each because of Xeon. So here's where we're at after a long time of removing this lot. So all I've used, a modified screwdriver, it's not focusing. Made it into a chisel, heat gun applied, and then take it off. So just got to get all that out now. Got the major stuff out, but it's just the rest of it all around here. So I can put the new butyl in. That's after I've cleaned it and everything. So crack on even more.
Hi everyone.
So I've removed all the butyl that was in there, the old stuff. This is the light that I bought off eBay. So all that is removed. Oh, focus. So that's the best I can do, really, with all honesty. You know, as long as you try to seal it all back together. So there's all the stuff, as I pointed out before. But now it's time to get everything together and seal it all back up. So here's the butyl that I bought off Amazon. It was about £7 something. So this is how it comes. There you go. You shove that in there, and then heat it up and then put it in. But we're not going to do that just yet because I've got something else I need to do, so we'll put that to one side. So here we go. JB Weld clear. There's a story behind this, but I'll explain. On the lens, somebody's actually had water in it, so they thought, yeah, why don't I drill some holes in the lens to drain all the water? Well, that's not going to work. Well, it probably would, but you'll just start introducing dirt and grime, and then it'll start going green, as that lens did. So here are the holes that person thought it was a good idea to drill. Anyway, never mind that, no point in dwelling on that. So these, what I've done, put masking tape behind, and the JB Weld is going to go on the outside. So I did clean the holes with brake cleaner. This is what happened. So cleaned it, so they're all nice and clean. Used Q-tips to do that. So now we're going to mix it up and apply it on there. So out to the packaging, this is what you get. You get the JB Clear Weld, which starts setting in 5 minutes, and also one spatula. I don't know why they just give you one, but yeah, anywho, let's get that mixed and then apply it onto the lens. Right, so take that off. Doing some more here, equal amounts. That didn't come out equal, but clean that, put the cap back on. Let's mix it. Apparently got 5 minutes. Get the lens, get some of this, and then put it in. I'm not too bothered about it being on the outside, but as long as I don't get it on the inside. So you see me do one, I'll do the rest off camera, and then I'll bring you back. Right folks, it's been 24 hours, well over 24 hours, but it'll be only a couple of minutes for you. But here we go, that's all dry, and all we need to do now is just take, I've already taken one off. That's what it looks like there. So it's worked, it's done the job. So I'll take the rest off. There we go. Did a half hatchet job on that, but never mind. There we go. So doesn't look too shabby, but you've got to remember you're not going to see it. So I'm not going to bother sanding this bit down, these bits or anything. You know, just give it a quick wipe and then that's it. I'm happy with that. That's watertight, hopefully. And yeah, we'll get on rebuilding the rest. So I'll just show you on the inside as well before we wrap this video up, because it'll be too long otherwise. There we go. So I can feel a bit in there, but not too much. And there we have it. So that's worked out well. I wouldn't do it on the front of the lens, but yeah, there we go. That lens is repaired. So I'm going to end it on this, like I said, end it on this, because otherwise it will get too long with building the video as well, building the light as well. So I'll end it on this, and I'll see you on the next one. If you like this video, please do give it the thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Helps the channel grow, and I can bring you more content like this. So please do subscribe.